In the warm, vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, Momoy worked as a waitress at a cozy little restaurant. She was known for her bright smile, quick wit, and the way she made everyone feel at home. Despite her busy days balancing trays and taking orders, her dreams stretched beyond the restaurant menu. She longed for a love that was as genuine as her smile. One sunny afternoon, a tall, handsome man named Nicholas stepped into the restaurant. He was a millionaire, known for his success in business, but today he looked just like any other guest, hungry and ready to enjoy some local flavors. He approached Momoy's section, and with a warm smile, he ordered a plate of jerk chicken with festival and a glass of fresh mango juice. Momoy took his order, her eyes meeting his. There was a spark, something different, something real. As she served him, they exchanged some quick, friendly banter. Nicholas was captivated by her charm, her kindness, and the way she effortlessly made him feel at home. Throughout the afternoon, Nicholas kept returning, requesting her service, asking her about Jamaica, about her life, her dreams. After that day, Momoy found herself looking forward to his visits. Their conversations grew deeper, filled with laughter and shared stories of their worlds, his of city life and wealth, hers of community, resilience, and hope. One evening, as the restaurant was closing, Nicholas asked Momoy to walk with him along the lively streets of Kingston. The city lights shimmered as they talked about their hopes and fears, their dreams of a future where love could bridge any divide. From that night on, their relationship blossomed. Nicholas learned about the beauty of simple joys, baking bread with Momoy's family, dancing to reggae under the stars, and sharing moments of genuine connection that money couldn't buy. Despite their different worlds, love grew stronger. Momoy saw beyond wealth to the kindness and genuine heart of Nicholas, and he admired her strength, her bubbliness, just the way she embraced life with such passion. In time, they realized their love was a gift, a testament that sometimes the most unlikely encounters can lead to the most extraordinary love stories. And so, in the heart of Jamaica, Momoy and Nicholas found each other, proving that love, indeed, knows no boundaries.